Alright guys, welcome back to the channel with Paradox the Rapper. Today, we're going to be doing something awesome with the VR4. I'm prepping it for Hot Import Nights. This event is something that we've been to back all the way from when we first started in the car scene back in 2002, before Instagram, before YouTube, all that stuff. And I've always wanted to be part of this show. This year, I'm gonna apply and hopefully I get in. So this event takes place at night from 4 to 10 p.m. and it's gonna be totally dark. And the whole point of this thing is to do it true midnight club fashion style. We're gonna lace the VR4 with some LED lights and turn this thing into a rolling disco just for the show. So stay tuned, I'm gonna show you guys how it's done, how I'm gonna wire all this stuff, and how it's gonna look in the end. So for this event, I'm hoping to take both cars, both the 240 and the VR4. Now the 240, it's rubbing a little bit when I go over like really hard bumps. I think it's rubbing on the wide body a little bit, so I might just raise the wheel up by maybe a quarter inch or half an inch on the back, and then that should be good. Here, the VR4, I got the materials kind of staged on the windshield here. So basically it comes in a box that looks like this, and this is what's inside. So these ones right here, they are really bright. There's a different version where it has like a plastic coating over it, and that does turn yellow over time, and you have to replace it, but it's not as bright as this. So I'm kind of looking to use this on the inside, and then some other stuff, the other stuff around the outside maybe. I'll order more. It comes pretty quickly if I need it. I also have some other lights that I've ordered a while ago, so we're gonna kind of plan this out, and I'll show you guys how I'm going to wire it my way. It might not be the safest way, but it'll work, and then we'll go from there. So I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so for this one, it comes with this plug. You can plug it into this transformer thing here, but what I'm gonna do to put into a car, I'm gonna cut these wires. Okay, so here's the proper setting. This one with the little dashes, and the black cable is to the ground, and then the other one is to the power. So when you put it into the ground, boom, look at that. That looks so awesome. These are so bright, and it's still light outside, so you'll see a huge difference at night. So I'm gonna wire these up and string them along the car. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, it's been a couple of days, but you can see my reflection in there. Oh, Paradox exposed. Don't look at my nipples. But here I have my wire ran through the firewall there. And basically everything just goes down here. So I'm not sure if I already showed you guys this, but that's basically where you run everything. And here I have the power cable, and that goes into there somewhere. I'm gonna figure out where to position it, but I got these little connectors, so you can wrap your wire around this thing, ghetto rig it, but it will fall off probably, so it's better to run these connectors. And then I got a power switch. What I did was I snaked it. So here's kind of where I got it going on. I don't even know if I like this. So I got it kind of mounted up over here somewhere. I figured that might be a good spot. And then all these lights run around here, through here, down here, over there. That gets kind of janky. So I don't know if I like that, but we'll see how it goes. Not sure how to make it clean. I don't know. Here we go. We're gonna start wiring this thing up, because it is time. I got all of my LED lights right here. I got 2 extra strings for the inside, and oh yeah, there we go. And these 4 are for the outside. So right now this is the other string, and we're gonna just probably string it along all the way to the back and around and whatnot. So I'm just gonna put this down, and we're gonna figure out how I'm gonna string this. The backing paper on this is pretty good, actually. It's pretty sticky, and yeah, the only problem I have with these is some portions it just doesn't want to stick, but who cares? This is some hot shit right here. Look at that. So awesome. And there it is. That's what that looks like on the interior. Holy shit, this is so awesome. Wait until I get the exterior ones done. You guys are gonna be blown away. This is so great, look at that. So I tucked it, I started down here, right? And I tucked it down there. And then I went all the way this way. Okay, and then it goes all the way back there. Lots of 3M double-sided tape. So you can see a little bit in the back window. And then over here, it kind of strings along there. Those two lights touched one of these metal poles and it like made a pop sound. The 3 lights there. So those are kind of off. And I think it made the rest of the string dimmer. So when I went to do just white, this portion does not look as bright as that center console area. But whatever, this works out for me just fine. Look at that. That's just so awesome. Now I need like some 12s in there or something. Some bottle of Nas maybe. But yeah, so this comes all the way down here. And I have it strung under that little step thing just so it holds it in place. I need some more tape right here. It's popping up a little bit. But then it goes all the way around the front windshield. Yeah, buddy. Okay, now to wire the area around the outside. So I might do it in the morning because it's dark now and I'm gonna go sleep. But that just looks so great. Yeah. Oh, and this. So this portion here, it's up around that, kind of does that wavy thing right on top of my gauges, and then it's all hidden under here, right? So right through there, that loops around, and on the other side, these ducks like it. On the other side, there you go. Kind of like that. Makes a little bend, goes into there. I have to tighten this little thing up because you can see where I strung it through there. But anyway, that's just how that goes. Cool. Ciao. Look at that shit, boy. God damn. You don't like the inside?
No.
Look at it, guys. How can you not like this? We are ready.
I think the inside's a little much.
A little much.
Yeah.
No, honey, we're ready to party. That's what it says on the inside.
I like the outside, but
The outside is hella clean. Look at that. Look at that, guys. So there's LEDs all right here. I didn't show you guys how to do this because I got to keep some of that sauce. You know how it is. But basically, there's lights there. There's lights there. You can see it shine down here too. Boom! Look at that. A little vent.
oh god, what?
The little vents.
Oh my goodness.
See? Right there.
I see it.
You see it.
Yeah, I see what it is.
This is great. This is probably the best thing I've ever done. Look, and then the lights, of course, change colors. What you guys want? What you guys want?
Pink.
Pink. All right, let me see. Pink. Is that pink?
Yes.
Yes. It looks violet to me, but.
On the inside.
Ooh, damn!
How come they all don't change?
Look at that. Where?
Look at.
Well, the outside is only white
Why?
because I want it to be super bright, so I didn't do the color changing type. If you do the color changing type, it's not as bright when you do the waterproof one. So this one right here is waterproof. I know, I scratched that.
Huh.
Look at that.
Well, the insides, it's
That's
like,
so sick.
it's not just pink, it's like purple, pink, purple.
Well, whatever. I can change it whatever color I want on the inside. But on the outside, it's a chrome car, honey. That's why it's white. Ah. Yes. All right, guys. We're ready to party. I'm getting this thing ready for Hot Import Nights. We'll end this video there at the show and we'll get some people's reaction. But dang, boy, I need more lights.
Oh my god.
I think I need some like right here and right up here. And
there's a thing is too much.
And like right there. No, Christmas Vacation never says
God.
it's too much. Look at that. It's in the snake eyes. Woo! And then look right out here. Damn. I think I should have wound it around my pipes some more because I really like that look.
Fine.
I should have done that over here. Damn it. All right, we'll see what I can do. But there it is, guys. I'm gonna throw a fresh coat of ceramic coating on this thing. And then I'm trying to do something with a roof spoiler. So we'll see if I can make it tonight. We're here at the Santa Clara Fairgrounds and I got Michelle sitting right back there. She's hanging out. But we got the whole crew just chilling out here. So these guys are some of the local like Northern California guys that I've been rolling with. They're called Daily Motive. You can check their Instagram. I'll add it somewhere right here. But basically this is all us right there. So some pretty unique builds. You've seen that RX-8 way over there before on my last video. But we got a cool BRZ and everything like that. Anyhow, I'm waiting for it to get dark so we can show you guys this light show because that's what this episode's all about. There we go, there we go. So this thing I actually made last night. I don't think I showed you guys this on camera, but this is basically the splitter, the roof spoiler that I made. And it covers the light that's in there, and I did it on purpose like this so that it glows through this this plexiglass thing. So I'll show you guys what's up. That looks really cool at night. It doesn't look that good right now, but when the light hits it, it's perfect. So you've seen this RX-8 before. This is Shane BRZ. His BRZ is really tricked out. It's got the wide body kit and everything. So color match looks really cool. It's got all the stuff matching everything. Let me see. Here we go. Interior. Oh snap. Okay. Yeah, it's some serious business. This guy has an S13 with a Voltex. I like that swan neck wing. Might get that. And then here we go. This guy, he's got that crazy. Look at those blast pipes. Oh, yeah, look at that. There we go. Looking good, looking good. And then we got, he usually wins best KDM or first, second, third. So, pretty good. And then this is my man, Mitsubishi. He hand painted this himself. So, he actually has a body shop. And he does paint and body work and all that stuff, so he did this all himself, so it's pretty dope. And right here, look at those wheels though. And then of course, we got me chilling right here. Alright guys, this is it right here. It's evening time and there it is. This is the whole point of the chrome wrap, guys, to do this. So this actually completes the look for me. I do need more LED lights. I think I can do some more in the engine bay when I actually clean it up. But basically, yeah, having a chrome wrap with this light is what it's all about right here. I need some strobes. So this top thing, what do you guys think? Leave me a comment below and let me know what you guys think about this top roof spoiler. So on camera it looks like this whole thing lights up, but in person maybe this portion lights up only. See, I can get my fingers in here. But let me know what you guys think about that. It's still questionable. I might want to just wrap the whole thing black and then you can only see it from the back, but I don't know, we'll see. But that's looking super sick. Oh! this video. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas. If you like this video, if you like what I've done with the car, stay tuned for more. So until next time, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.